What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing this look. It's really bold, really bright, but as you guys know, I love doing really bold looks, really bright looks. So, and it's not hard at all. So if you guys want to try and achieve it, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, as always, I'm going in with this beautiful palette, the 35B from Morphe. And for my transitioning color, I'll be using this beautiful pink. Okay, now I'm going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills blending brush, and I'm just going to buff out all those harsh lines. Okay, now I'm using this beautiful deep purple, and that's just going to go right under my brow bone in between my eyelid, and just try to blend that out as much as you can. Okay, muchachas, so I'm still here blending. As you guys can tell, the purple is a little bit harder to blend, but don't let that discourage you guys. If you guys want to go in with the purple, go ahead and do it. The keyword is just to practice. Okay, again, with the 35B palette, I'm taking this navy blue and just drawing kind of like a half circle around my eyelid. Once I have that drawn or outlined, I'm just going to bring everything down all over my eyelid. And then I'll be taking my other brush that I use for the purple, and I'll just be blending everything together. Okay, guys, to cut the crease, I'm using this Wet n Wild flat brush. I really do like this brush. And guys, remember, I'm not doing a full cut crease. I'm just doing kind of like a half cut crease. I always like to start shaping it like the letter T and then just bringing everything down and blending it. Okay, with this shade again, I'm taking it and I'm just going to place it on the outer corner and in the inner corner just to kind of buff out those harsh lines of the concealer. Okay, so aquí I'm using the BH Cosmetics Clear Brow Gel. I'm just going to put it all over my concealer and use it as a base for my glitter. My glitter that I'm using today, it's from the Villain Lashes, and I believe its name is Blind Witch. Okay, so ahora que acabamos con la glitter, I'm just going to go in with this beautiful eyeliner from Suva Beauty, and I think the name on that one is named Scrunchy. Okay, so I decided to do my face already. I mean, y'all already kind of know my routine. Okay, so I'm going in with this beautiful purple again, and I'm just going to set that under my waterline. And then after the purple, I'll be taking the pink one, and I'm going to blend everything together. Okay, so the mascara that I'm using today, it's from the LA Girl Cosmetics, and I always just like to put some on just before I put my false eyelashes, just so they can stick on a little bit better. For my inner corner, I'm taking my favorite highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics in the shade Rodeo, and I'm just going to spray my brush a little bit with setting spray. You guys can use setting spray or a little bit of water. It's just for that extra pop. Okay, para mis pestañas voy a estar usando esta glue. Thanks to my cousin for showing me this glue. I used to use that dual one, but that thing was just not doing it for me, so I had to move on. Okay, guys, remember, whenever you guys do put the glue on the eyelashes, wait a little bit, just so it can get a little tacky, and so you guys won't have trouble putting them on, because if you guys just put them on like that, I guarantee you guys are going to be struggling. I don't remember the name of the eyelashes. They're from my last video, but I know they're Wet n Wild. Okay, guys, so we're done. This is my final look. Let me see it up close. You guys remember, every eye is different, so don't worry if it doesn't look exactly the same. Everybody's eye look is always going to come out different. So don't start getting frustrated with yourself because it's not coming out the same. You guys just got to practice. But the purple is a little bit hard to blend. You just got to keep on practicing and you guys will get it. I hope to see you guys on my next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.